My name is Lakshya Prabhakar and I live in Delhi. I study in third standard. If you ask what is my hobby is playing cricket.
Wow, that's amazing. So, do you like singing?
Yes.
So, can you sing one song?
Achyutam ke Shivam.
Okay, tell me.
तम के शिवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम धन्यवाद
Wow, nice. So, you sang very nice.
Thank you.
Can I sing one song in English?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Okay.
This night in schools in the kingdom, I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sink and your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down from your liver to us. I once was the man with the undress. I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find the way to let me down slowly? A little bit of hope you can show me. If you wanna go to night so lonely. If I leave them, let me down slowly, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be slowly. If I leave them, let me down slowly. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, that's great. Very nice.
And beside you, your sister is sitting, right?
Yes.
She's younger than you or elder than you?
Younger.
Oh, what's her name?
Anaya Singh.
Hi, hi, Ananya. Hi. In which class are you studying?
कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो?
Study. What's your school's name?
Dolphin Plays School.
Wow, you're so cute. How old are you?
Four.
Okay. And which is your favorite color?
Yellow. Yellow and pink.
Wow. And which is your favorite fruit?
Fruit कौन सा favorite है? And mango and watermelon.
Wow. So can you tell me? Can I ask you the fruit's name? So can you tell me the name of this fruit?
Orange. Orange.
Yeah. Very good. And next one is. And can you tell me this fruit name?
Apple.
Correct. And one more. I will tell you one more last. Tell me this fruit name. Very good. Wow, that's
poem.
Poem. Yes.
Please सुनाना.
Hindi or English? Any language.
English वाली सुना. Brush your teeth. Poem.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Listen to the music. Listen to the music. And brush your teeth. And brush your teeth. Bath yourself. Bath yourself. Listen to the music. Listen to the music. And bath yourself. And bath yourself. Nice. That's nice. Wow. You.
Tanishka, do you know any Hindi poem on Republic Day?
No, I don't know any poem because now we don't have poem. We have stories in my school.
Can I tell Hindi poem on Republic Day?
Okay, you can tell anything. Poem or Republic Day.
बारी बारी ऋतुएं आती, बारी बारी ऋतुएं आती, अपनी छटाइयाँ हाँ दिखलाती, अपनी छटाइयाँ हाँ दिखलाती, फल फूलों से भरे बगीचे, फल फूलों से भरे बगीचे, चिड़िया मीठे गीत सुनाती, चिड़िया मीठे गीत सुनाती, देश मेरा यह सबसे न्यारा, देश मेरा यह सबसे न्यारा, कितना सुंदर कितना प्यारा, कितना सुंदर कितना प्यारा, सबके अधिकारों का रक्षक, सबके अधिकारों का रक्षक, अपना ये गणतंत्र पर्व है, अपना ये गणतंत्र पर्व है, लोकतंत्र ही मंत्र हमारा, लोकतंत्र ही मंत्र हमारा, हम सबको इस पर ही गर्व है, हम सबको इस पर ही गर्व है. धन्यवाद.
Wow. Thanks, song. Very nice. Means you sang poem nice.
Thank you.
In my school, we don't have poems.
Oh.
Yes. Do you have computer lab in your school?
Yes. In your school, have computer?
Yes. And in computer, what are you doing?
What?
In your school, in your computer, what are you doing?
Understanding AI.
Okay. And in my school, in computer, we play games like Tux Paint, Scratch 3, Scratch 2, and also LibreOffice Writer, WordPad.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Do you like to traveling in train?
I like to traveling, but I never travel in the train. I travel in metro one time only.
Oh.
Yes. So can we wrap up the session now?
Yes.
Okay,
Nice
we will
meeting.
meet soon.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Have a great day, Laksh.
Nice to meet you, Tanishka.
Nice to meet you. This was nice conversation with you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a great day to you. Bye.